Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to open up an LLC in the state of Georgia. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It's very simple. We're going to get this all done within 5 to 10 minutes. Hit the link down in the description if you want to follow along. If you're on mobile, open up your laptop or find a desktop to do it. It'll be easier like that rather than through mobile. Let me hop onto my laptop. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. I'm also gonna show you how to get your EIN number. It's your employer identification number. This is where with this you can open up a business bank account, and also down the line if you want to hire employees for your business. Let's jump right into Tailor Brands, where we're gonna be making our LLC. All right guys, here is where the link is gonna take you. This is Tailor Brands. I've made plenty of LLCs under Tailor Brands. Very professional. They get it all done right. We're gonna be making our LLC under Georgia. Let's get started. And here we're gonna find your business name. And this is what your LLC is gonna be under. So let's put in our business name. There you go. It's a great choice. We got it. We have it. All right, next we're gonna be going through a little process. Anything you pick through this, it really doesn't matter what you pick. So let's say we're in business already. What's the industry? So we're gonna do physical, I put physical goods, and I do e-commerce. So I'm gonna put what follows around me. I've done Amazon sales, FBA. So let me put this. You go Amazon sales, perfect. Okay, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Yes, no, not sure. I put not sure. Nothing here is set in stone. Anything you always can change down the line in the future. So what's your goal? We're always aiming to go high, but right now I don't know yet. And then if you want to put a postal code, I'm gonna put online for me for e-commerce. And here you'll see that Tailor Brands provides a bunch of other things, just not LLCs. Like if you want to work on a logo, does tax permits, website, insurance, domains, taxes. But we're just going to be going for our LLC, and then later down the line, I'm going to show you how to get your EIN as well. So this is just our LLC. And this is just a checklist. You really don't need this to go through this. So let's go through skip. How'd you hear about it? If you're watching this video, just put YouTube. They do like a coaching program if you want to do it, but we're here for LLC, so no thank you. Here we're going to add your email, which your LLC is, how they're gonna notify you about your processing. So let's just fill this in. Okay, once you put in your email information, here is the next screen. You're talking about your EIN number. I'm gonna show you a little go around on this part, at the end. So I'll handle it myself. Yes. Okay, so I was talking about Tailor Brand assigning an agent. So what an agent is basically who's going to be getting all the mailing from the LLC. This is where your state's going to be sending all the paperwork to. So if you live in the state of Georgia, you can become your own agent. If you live there and you're forming your LLC there, you're going to appoint yourself as the agent, and the state refiling to renew it, all the mails will be going to you. If you're not in the state of Georgia, you might want to find an agent, or Tailor Brands does provide it for you. This is where all the mails are going to be sent out to you. So this will auto-appoint a different registered agent. That's going to be yourself. Next. So this is just a bunch of different things that Tailor Brand provides if you want to do it. But this is the annual compliance. This is where you're going to be renewing it. So you can do that yourself. You handle it. And then I don't want tools. We don't need tools. This is another thing if you want to do an expedited, in which you ramp up the pace in which it gets processed, whether 2 days to 14 days, but we're gonna do the 14 days. Later down, I'm gonna show you if you wanted to change anything, I'll show you. It's a big check, it's a good thing. You have to do it right here. I'll figure it out on my own. You don't need any of that. This is like tax paperwork or legal documents. In the future, if you do want to come back to it, you're gonna have an account here with Tailor Brands and they'll do it for you. Let's do, sure, get notified when your LLC is processed or being processed. Again, here's the different packages they provide, which is light, which is you're gonna be paying $0 and no on top of stuff, but every state you do have to pay a state filing fee. In the state of Georgia, the state filing fee is $105. So no matter where you go or what you do, you'd have to pay that $105. So here the light, they're gonna form your LLC and you just have to pay your state filing fee. In the essential, they add on the 2-day expedited. They offer you a invoicing, a bookkeeping, and a coaching program, which you don't really need. And then the elite is $250 on top of the state filing fee. They will provide you a website and domain if you don't have one already, maybe for your business, alongside the expedited. So right now, I just wanted my LLC. So I'm just gonna go to the light. And then here's what I was talking about. Here's like a little checklist where you're gonna see. You're gonna pay the state filing fee. And then here's where you want to add on anything on top of it. So if you wanted to do the 2-day expedited, right here, add it on. You do add on a 2-day expedited if you want to do it. And also your EIN. I recommend these two. With your EIN, it's just a great thing. You could do it yourself, but I recommend, I went this route, I didn't have to worry about it. It was done for me. And I had time on myself to do what else I needed to do for my business. So there it's that. So due today, it would be 105 because I did the expedited. So like I took that off. Due today, it's gonna be 105. And then once your LLC gets processed, the fee of the EIN number will come up, and then your EIN, they will take care of your EIN number. So let's continue to payment. And then this is it, guys. Once you pay it, everything gets processed for you, and that's it. And either if you do it the 2 days or the 14, there's where you get your LLC for your business, and then you're all set. I hope this helped you a lot. Like this video, subscribe. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible on seeing it. I wish you the best luck on your businesses, and goodbye.